Alright guys, we're back with another episode of My Little Bulldog. Here's this little bulldog. And what we've got is really this bulldog is very overreactive, and that's our new thing that we're coming up with. Because people always say reactive dogs, and all dogs are reactive. What it is overreactive. So that's what that bulldog is to Andre. If you saw the slow-mo that we just did, where that thing decides to, and you saw how fast he was moving, didn't you, Crystal?
Yeah.
That was bulldog reaching near its higher end of its speed. Its normal pace is fairly fast. All right, let me see if I can get this bulldog out of the water. And I've told you guys this before, but there's a video on YouTube. I think it's a video. No! I use my Great Dane to keep these dogs from slamming into me. Either that or it's on the Dogtra site. But it would have been on the Dogtra site from YouTube. You know, where the guy is saying, remind me to look it up, Crystal. You know, that the water, you know, and I think your average person would think this. I'm not sure, I didn't think this. But that it would be stronger in the water, and according to them, it's weaker because it's being diffused by the water. So that's one thing to keep in mind. You're doing a lot of water recalls. So with this dog, I can do my pager, but I'm going to tell you they don't respond real well. Get zoomed in on him, Crystal. I didn't do anything yet. He kind of swims in circles anyway. But I'm going to follow the same rule. I'm not going to do it unless he's facing away. And remember, he's deaf, so he's not going to get any. All right, so I'm starting holding my pager now. Holding it down. Go to my neck. I can tell you what this bulldog is in a hurry to do. Not come to me. So that, Crystal's like, yeah, picking up on that one. That was 3 necks and a bunch of pages. I will tell you, we just have this IQ on him out of convenience, really. He does need the little Einstein thing. So I can page my Great Dane. I want my Great Dane to start swimming now. What we need to do is a short video, like a slow-mo. We just showed to Nina's friend, because we might have an adopter for Falconer. But I do have a recall on him. Hopefully. I'm going to try to get that picture down. Yeah, that bulldog likes to go all dog day afternoon. And if you don't know what that is, you need to go watch that movie. Oh, and Crystal, now I saw Bruce Jenner's getting a sex change now. I told Crystal, I don't want to have to see this on TMZ every day. Fine, just go do it. But I mean, do I have to see it on TMZ every day? I actually met him one time, a long, long time ago. He was in Daytona for, I don't know, probably Bike Week or something. Let me tell you what, if I would have said, you're going to, you know, end up doing all this and having a sex change, I mean, you know, they probably would have had me arrested. At the very least, looked at me like I was insane. All right, let me see if I can get my bulldog back. All right, so I'm starting my pager. I did turn him around with my pager right then. Yeah, he turned back around. All right, he's coming now. If he can make it past the Andre obstacle. Oh, my little bulldog. And I want to reward him right away, you guys. I want him to understand that's what the deal was. I wasn't getting him out of there, you know, to make life miserable. All right, come on, let's go back this way. I've got to tell you guys, I haven't even had a collar on Andre. I do take Andre running every morning. Every single morning. But I don't put the collar on him because he has like a big, thick, like agitation collar that I hook the leash on because he kind of pulls me. He pulls me. I draft behind him. Well, I can get him. Are you going? Andre! I gotta tell you, this is a big, nice dog. Ellie's actually bigger than him, though. All right, come on, and we'll Falconer. He's bigger than all of them. You know, Falconer really doesn't eat any more than the other dogs, though. I mean, I hope you haven't been feeding him more than 2 cups or something.
No.
All right, look out. That bulldog's getting ready. No, watch. That dog rolling around is bringing out the predatory behavior in that bulldog. The problem with these bulldogs like this is they'll get one and they'll goad it. And I can tell you, Andre is a big baby, but he's definitely got that steel trap jaw side to him. And so I don't like him disappearing in the bushes. He's over there by the deer bed, so. Maize? Oh, my Maize. Alright, I'm gonna get that bulldog. Run my pager down, run my pager down. The dog does not feel the pager. Tell you why the nick doesn't upset that dog or doesn't kill its food drive because it was originally. It really wasn't originally trained as food drive, but I made it with one. Uh-oh, armadillo's pissed off.
Oh boy.
Oh no. Lost her everywhere. You know, I wouldn't be surprised. We need to be ready. I wouldn't be surprised if we came across a whole family of armadillos.
Wow.
I've seen it before. You hear them, they're really loud. They do. I don't think Lori and them cut back there, did they?
I don't think so.
Because I'll tell you what I want cut, these trails.
Yeah.
Yeah. Meanwhile,
I don't think so.
she's got these guys weed eating up there by the road. Well, you guys already saw that when we were up there walking Maize. It's like, yeah, I'll tell you what I'm not looking for. 2 guys to weed eat up there. Or I can't even see, or I don't even care about. No, that's bullshit. Oh, we gotta get this cut. All right, look, that shepherd's going out of sight. Andre! See, even that short distance, he did run. I gotta tell you what dog I love. This dog. This is a big, nice dog. All right, let me get that Great Dane. I've only got my nick set on 0. Of course, I'm not gonna do it now because it's walking towards me, so. All right, it's facing away from me. As long as it's facing away. Falconer! And now it's just the pager in my head. I'll tell you who's having the time of her life. Little Maize. Alright, look, I'm going to let that shepherd get out of sight. I'll show you how to make that shepherd reappear. Andre! Andre! I'm going to show you how to make that doodle. Maize! Oh, I call her little Maize on the spot. So we gotta find somewhere we're gonna have to go to the Harley thing tomorrow, Crystal.
Okay.
We already had the motocross bike league. tell you, this Great Dane doesn't even need a recall. He stays right by me. Gotta be careful I'm not letting him in. All right, we gotta get some good pictures of him too, girl. We can. Well, in fact, we could take him. No, no. Oh. Get ready. Get on that shepherd. Get on that shepherd. Andre. That wasn't me. Shut up. All right, we'll take pictures of my dog. Part of the reason that bulldog is hyperexcited by Andre is not neutered. He's the same way around Blue. I have to lock him up around Blue. All right, let me see if I can get him out of the water. Let me see if my training's doing any good. I'll start my pager. Now, I've given my pager a little bit more meaning by adding that nick. Obviously not too much. He's going to come right to me. Wait and see. But again, it took several nicks. For a little dog like this, right to me. I started my pager though when he got out of the water. I started my pager and held it down until he came to me. All right, hang on, let me get that shepherd one time. Andre! Yeah, I gotta tell you what dog I like. That big, nice shepherd. All right, guys, we gotta get some pictures of Falconer. Hey, guys.